Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am an unboxing. I know, I'm blaming this one on Corona. This is more quarantine shopping, and let's all say a prayer for Mr. Visa because he's had to work hard. He has. If you'd like to see what I have in this unadventurous, unassuming box, then please watch on. It's a problem. When I'm stressed, I shop, and I'm calling it quarantine shopping. Not that I'm under quarantine anymore, although I'm in Arizona, so I do believe it's a matter of time before we go back to lockdown. We should have been in lockdown the whole time. Either way, I like to shop when I'm stressed. I do. Good thing for you guys, you get to see what I've picked up, right? So, because hey, let's share. Why not? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Neo. I'm a shopaholic. I am. I'm self-aware. I am. But you know, I'm a baby shopaholic. I'm also self-aware that, you know, funds are what they are. If you're new, thank you for coming to check me out. I am in a mood today. If you've been here before, you know how it is. It is what it is. So, unboxing from one of my favorite fashion houses. And actually, guys, have you seen the headlines about the CEO of Coach? It's a Coach bag. Well, you know that. You saw the thing. Yeah. Have you seen it? Ooh, that's definitely a Let's Talk luxury that is for the books and will be up soon because, oh, mama. That man, I don't know what he was thinking. But anyway, I bought this Coach bag. Super excited to get it. I got it from Saks. It's a story because here's the thing. As much as I love Coach, I'm cheap. And the thing that irritates me the most about Coach is that it always goes on sale. It always goes on sale. If you're patient, it always goes on sale. And I am conditioned to never ever buy Coach at full price. I will not, I don't care how much I like a bag, I will buy Coach full price. I just do. I don't know where I got cut off, but we've settled this. And this particular piece, I don't know if it was an exclusive to Saks or maybe I just became aware of it really late. But it has sat full price on the Saks website for forever. I think these pieces aren't even being made anymore because I haven't seen it on the Coach website for forever. I was kind of following it but not following it. You know what it is, sometimes you pay attention and then you don't. But I knew, I'd seen it in the stores and I knew I wanted this bag, but I was just not in a rush. And then I found it on the Saks website and I like to purchase from Saks because I get my points. And I just waited and I waited and I waited and it's still friggin' full price. But about a week ago, I was really lucky. I got an email and it said, I don't know, 20-30% off whatever you buy with this email. And I get these maybe every other month or so from Saks. I actually get a lot of coupons from Saks. Don't sleep on Saks, guys. And I went to use it. I thought for sure it wasn't going to work. And it did. The rest is history. Now, so came into my box, very unassuming box, which was fine by me. The only thing that really irritated me because, and all I've done is like slice it open. And I got really anxious because, hope I do this right, the bag was laying like this. I sliced it open, took one look, and then put it away and was hyperventilating. It was literally laying like this. If I had been too forceful, if I'd used a knife instead of like a box cutter, if I'd like stabbed it, I would have friggin' cut it. I mean, there was no tissue on top, no plastic, nothing. The bag was just like this. So that kind of really upset me. I could also tell from the minute I opened it that the bag must have come straight from a store and not from a fulfillment center. And it's the thing that bugs me the most when I do shop at Neiman's or Saks. When the items come from a store and not from a fulfillment center, they're so thrown in the boxes. It's like, are you kidding me? Come on. So really upsets me. But this is my new Coach Tabby, and I'm looking at it in the viewfinder because it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's amazing. Yeah, my receipts in the bottom. Yeah, that's it. Just thrown in like that. So, I mean, wow, what a great luxury experience, Saks. Get your stuff together, honestly. I have no idea. Yeah, I never learned my lesson with white on a bag. Who knows? It's the beautiful pebbled leather. It's a Coach Tabby. It, of course, has a handheld because I'm a sucker for a handheld purse. And it's suede on the sides there. Now on the Coach website, they did have a version of this bag that was white on the outside, and then it had like a snake skin print here, and that one went on super. Yeah, so it had the snake skin here and it was white all around. I believe it was also snake skin here in the gusset, and I remember really wanting it, but of course by the time I went to, you know, hit buy at the discounted price, it was gone, which I should have known. It's a Tabby. I believe these are Tabby mediums. I'm not seeing them as much anymore, but oh gosh, still gorgeous. Only thing I'm a bit concerned about with this bag was it had a lot of creasing here, but none here. So I feel like if this had been a returned bag or a display bag, it would have had like an equal amount of creasing. So I'm not trying to be fussy. I'm sure you guys can't even see it, so I won't let that deter me. Beautiful suede interior. Oh God, I just love that it's a beautiful suede interior. As much as I love the Coach Cassies, I think it bugs me that the inside is fabric. And oh, there's my dust bag. Dust bag was inside the bag, which is nice. Would have been nice if it was outside before you shipped it, but okay, I get it. I'm not gonna complain. And there is my strap, which I believe is crossbody. Oh, maybe it's a shoulder strap. No, it's pretty much crossbody. It goes over here. Yeah. I'm challenged today. I'm challenged. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a crossbody type of gal, so I don't know if I'm gonna use that strap, but there it is. I always imagine myself as a lady who works in an office with a conference room, commanding the room, and I go in and to close the deal and I put my fabulous Coach purse on the table and everybody has to listen to me. Instead, I sit at home, you know, in my t-shirts and jeans, cute t-shirts and jeans. But if I was a lady who conference roomed and ran the conference room, whatever you want to call it, this would be the purse I would take. It is. Isn't it stunning? I think it's beautiful. Anyway, guys, I think I've bought like 3 Coach purses this year, which for me is like a frigging record, but Coach has been killing it lately. What can I say?